Assalamu alaikum students, hope so you all are fine. So today we are going to start our second lecture of chapter number 11, homeostasis for biology. So in our previous lecture we have learned about homeostasis and the basic definition and homeostasis in plants. So by continuing with the lecture in homeostasis in plants, our other topic is removal of extra water. The question is how plants can remove extra water from the bodies or from their cells. So the answer is we know that plants obtain water from soil and it also produced in body during cellular respiration. So in plants, when there is occurring the process of cellular respiration and when we water the plants store that water in soil or in their roots. So plants store large amount of water in their cells for turgidity. What is turgidity? Turgidity is flexibility or hardness or toughness of plants so that no one can harm the plants. Extra water is removed from plants body by transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water or removal of water from plant surface or from the plant's body in form of vapors or water drops. So at night transpiration usually doesn't occur because most plants have their stomata closed. In your previous class, in 9th class, you have learned that stomata and guard cell are open during daytime and close at night time because there is a process, major process occur at daytime. So that's why stomata are open at daytime and stomata are closed at night time because there is no process of transpiration. If there is high water content soil, when they are saying that when we water the plant much more, water enters the roots. So water that is in extra quantity enters the root cells and root hairs and is accumulated in xylem vessels and is stored in xylem tubes. Xylem tube or xylem vessels are specified for water content and phloem are specified for food. Some plants such as grasses force their water through special pores present at leaf tips or edges and form drops. When we provide or when we give extra water to grass plants, that quantity of extra water is passed out through the special pores or special holes in the plants of grass and stored themselves or arranged themselves in form of drops. The appearance of drops water on the tips or edges of leaves is called guttation. You can see this brief description in picture or figure 11.1. These tiny drops on the grass plant and these drops show the process of guttation. So many people mix the word guttation and the definition of guttation and dew drops resemblance. No, they are not alike. Guttation is not to be confused with dew, which condense from atmosphere onto the plant surface. So other is removal of other metabolic waste. If you have revised the definition of metabolic waste, so you must be familiar that metabolic waste mean any material that is produced during metabolism and that may harm the body. Sometimes they can harm and sometimes they are harmless. So today we are going to discuss about harmless metabolic waste. Plants deposit means store. Plants deposit many metabolic waste in their bodies as harmless insoluble material, insoluble that are not soluble in water or not soluble in plants body, that are difficult to dissolve, undissolved material. For example, calcium oxalate is deposited in form of crystal like this shape, in form of crystal in leaves and stem of many plants. For example, in tomato, they are harmless, so they do not harm the plant body. In trees which shed their leaves, shed means spread, in trees which shed their leaves yearly, which in the trees which fall off their leaves yearly after 1 year or after year by year, the excretory products are removed from body during leaf fall. Excretory product mean that must be excreted out from the plant body or plant leaf. Other waste material that are removed by some plants are resins. Resins mean that are sticky material by coniferous trees. Coniferous trees are those trees which have cones on their leaves. For example, pine trees and date trees. Gums by Kieker, we get gums by Kieker tree. Latex mean any thing that is rubbery or rubber type by rubber plant. And mucilage is like lady finger, like something sticky. Mucilage by carnivores, plants and ladyfingers, for example. So they are showing us the diagram. Resin drops from a cut tree. When we cut a tree, resin drops appear like that, and latex being extracted from a tree, that point or that is latex, sticky material, and mucilage, the drops on the edges. Mucilage drops on carnivores, plants. So that was our lecture about removal of extra water and removal of other metabolic waste. And if you have any further question, then you can contact to your WhatsApp group. Take care of yourself and your parents. Allah Hafiz.